Today we have the 2023 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation and mobile apps, Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, Full Pass Connect and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a reversing camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side.